So while you're working with text inside of Adobe InCopy, you have different options to break them apart. So you can see here that I got a paragraph, and to break apart the paragraph, that is break apart the text, I can use something called the break character option so that I can divide these words into different pages. So in order to do that, I can go into type right here, and then from type I can go to insert break character. So there's different types of break characters, as you can see. For example, the default one is column break. So the shortcut for it is number pad enter key. So if I were to go over here, press the number pad enter key, what happens is that the text gets divided into two pages, as you can see right here. So that's the basic part of it. So you want to divide something into multiple pages, you press the number enter key, and then multiple pages will be there just like that. You can just go over here onto the end and then arrange this out. Let's say, for example, this last line, press enter, and that'll be divided into another key right here. So just like that, what I can do is I can have multiple pages just like this. So let's see some other options as well. So that's the basics of using a break character. But if I were to go over here onto the break character, there's different options over here as well. So there's like paragraph return, there's like even page break, odd page break. So you have these options as well. So let's just go over here and then use one of the break characters. So if I were to go to edit, and if I were to not edit but in type, and if I were to go to break character and click on paragraph return, what happens is that it breaks the paragraph not into multiple pages but in the same page, as you can see right here. So that's one option over here as well to break the character. So you can do like, let's say for example, frame break as well. What that does is divides the pages altogether. It's similar to column paste right here. So these are the different ways on how you can break character and arrange out the characters in different pages inside of Adobe InCopy. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.